Welcome, everyone, to the Numbers Bee TV game show. My name's Maria. Now, this started off as a game show in over 30 Delaware schools, but we are taking it out of the classroom and bringing it to Ed TV. Now, the concept is simple. Solve math problems, but solve them fast. Get ready, though. There is a twist. Now, we have 3 contestants getting ready to play in studio, but you viewers at home can log on to numbersbee.com to actually play against these contestants. You can compare your scores, compare your times, and see if you're smarter than our contestants here on the Numbers Bee. For the viewers at home, look for NB20. That's the game that we're going to be playing today. But before we go into any more details, let's meet our contestants. Contestant number 1, Akshat, how are you doing today?
I'm doing fine.
Are you nervous? Does the Number Bee scare you a little bit?
No.
No? Have you been playing Numbers Bee before?
Yeah.
And are you the master of it or what?
I'm not the master, but...
But you're pretty good?
Yeah, I'm good.
He's pretty good. He's pretty good. All right, so contestant number 2, Duran, I hear you're a fabulous dancer and you love math.
Yes.
So which one do you love more?
Math.
Math? So does Akshat stand a chance with you?
No.
Wow, Akshat, that is fighting words. And then we have our lone girl on our panel, Satvika. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great.
So if it was a choice between guys and girls today, who's going to win?
Obviously girls.
Obviously. I agree with that statement. So good luck to all 3 of you today. There are going to be 4 rounds with 5 games in each round. So the rounds consist of integers, fractions, decimals, and algebra. There are levels 1 to 24, 24 being the hardest with 1 being the easiest, but I think we can challenge our contestants here today. So viewers, get ready. Contestants, are you guys ready to play today?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, do we have like a little pump-up dance that we got going? Satvika, I hear you have one. All right, Satvika's ready. The other 2, you guys are playing hard to get. I get it. We are going to start with round 1. Contestants, are you ready?
Yep.
All right, we have 5 games in this. First game, 7, 6, 1, and 2, using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division to get the desired result of 3. You guys are already done?
Yep.
Jeez, I hope our viewers are as quick as you guys. So let's go with Akshat first. I think you got done pretty quick in this round. So tell us what you did here.
I did 7 minus 6.
7 minus 6.
And then I did 1 plus 2.
1 plus 2.
Then 3 times 1.
And 3 times 1. So that, yes, gets us to the desired result of 3. How was round 1 for you guys? How was the first game?
Pretty good. Easy.
You guys ready for the next one?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, get out the nerves. We're getting ready to move on to game number 2. Here we go. Okay, we have 7, 2, 3, and 5 to get the desired result of 20. Good luck, contestants. Okay, this one seems to be giving the contestants a little bit more trouble. So now I don't feel so bad about my own playing skills. I see a huge sigh of relief from Akshat for finally finished that. Was that one challenging for you guys? Yeah? Okay, let's go to Duran. So what was the final solution that you came up with?
Uh.
Duran had a little bit of trouble with this one, which is okay.
Okay, let me try it again.
He's trying to remember.
Okay, I got it.
He's got it. Here we go.
It's 7 minus 2, 5 times 3, and then 15 plus 5.
Awesome, and that gets you to 20. You sure about that, Duran?
Yes, I'm very.
Okay, so that one gave the contestants a little bit more trouble. Let's move on to see if the next game is going to be a little bit more simple. Let's see. Here we go. We have numbers 7, 1, 17, and 2. Here we go, contestants. We need to come back in this game. You guys all good? Duran, you got that one a little bit quicker that time, right? Yes, you did. Satvika, let's go to you down there. So what was your solution for this problem?
I did 17 minus 7.
17 minus 7.
And then I did 2 plus 10.
2 plus 10.
And then I did 12 times 1.
12 times 1. Well, I know that much. I do know that gives you 12. So big smiley face for you. We're over halfway done with the first round. Let's keep moving on. You guys are doing great. So the next game, here we go, 8, 12, 4, and 3. Time is everything, and so is getting the answer correct. Good luck, viewers at home as well. Again, for our viewers at home, know that there is more than one solution to this problem, so if you don't get it, keep trying. Okay, do we have thumbs up all across the board? We all have it? Yes, okay. Akshat, we'll go to you. You're looking a little scared over here.
Okay.
Let's see what you did.
I did, yeah, I kind of forgot.
He forgot, but you can remember because you're smart. We know you can do it. I'll give you a hint. You can use 8, 12, 4, 3 to start. That's all I know.
Okay, you just multiply, or, I think Duran would know. God.
You think we guys should move on to the next one and
Yeah.
see how the end results are?
Yeah.
Let's move on and we'll see what the final results have to say about this round, because this one was a doozy. We don't know what's happening. So let's move on to the final game in this round, game number 5. Here we go. You guys better step it up here or else I'll be winning this game by the end of it. Here we go. We have 28, 8, 30, and 20. You guys got it. I think Akshat got that in 0.4 seconds to make up for the last game. So Akshat, do you want to take this one home?
Yes, 28 minus 20.
28 minus 20.
8 divided by 8.
8 divided by 8.
And 1 times 30.
And 1 times 30. You totally redeemed yourself in that round. Do we not think so? Great job, great job. So that is the end of the first round. So let's go to the results and see how our contestants fared. All right, looking at the results, Akshat is magically the only one that won all 4 of the games. But we look at the time difference. Akshat with an average time of 12 seconds, with the other 2 all under 10 seconds. So I have a feeling this is going to be a really, really close and tough game. I don't even know what's going to happen. So before we move on to round 2, let's take a quick break and we'll be right back. Hey everyone, and welcome back. We are getting ready to move on to round 2, which is all about fractions. But before we do that, I think we should get to know a little bit more about our contestants. So let's start with Duran.
Yes.
Duran, tell me a little bit about yourself.
My favorite subject's math. I like to play football, basketball, and I like being at home at most of them.
And what's your favorite thing to do at home?
Pretty much sleep. Sleep. I love sleep.
So did I get you up to be here today?
Yes.
I can appreciate that. So why the love for math?
Because
How'd that start?
it started when I was very little. I was just good at it, and I like telling people I was good at it. So that's how I just started to be good at math.
So are you friends with Sadvika or Akshat, or do you just tell them how good you are at math? And
No, I am. I'm not that cocky. But I.
But you know you're good.
But I know I'm good.
Okay, and then tell me about your love of football. You're a big football lover?
Yes.
What's your favorite team?
San Diego Chargers.
Okay, I'm not gonna say that I don't like them, but go Steelers. Anyways, so big football fan, big math lover, and so how are you feeling about the game so far? How did you think round 1 went?
A little shaky, but I'm gonna get back.
Ready to get back into the
Yes.
saddle?
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. We're gonna get ready for round number 2, all about fractions, still 5 games. We didn't have a perfect round the first round, so let's see if we can really step our game up. You guys ready to play?
Yeah.
Okay, viewers at home, get ready. We're going on to fractions, the first of 5 games. Here we go. Okay, we have 5, 6, and 1/2, using addition and subtraction for the desired result of 1/3. Are you guys already done? Yeah. Okay, they're making up for round 1. I like it, I like it. Sadvika down there, what was your solution?
I did 5, 6 minus 1/2 equals 1/3.
Perfect. Awesome. You guys all feeling better now? Feeling better? Perfect. We're going to move right along. It was that simple. We're getting ready for game number 2. Contestants, viewers, here we go. 8/7 and 6/7 to get 2/7, addition and subtraction. And we have smiley faces all around. I like where this is going. Duran, the football math lover, what did you do to get?
I
2/7?
did 8/7 minus 6/7 equals 2/7.
Okay, was that pretty easy for you guys?
Yeah.
Pretty easy? Akshat, what do you think?
That was easy.
That was easy?
Yeah.
All right, let's keep moving on to game number 3. The contestants are loving this one so far. The next game, 20/7, 9/7, 16/7 to get 13/7. There's a lot of 7s happening right now. Let's see if our contestants can get it. We got a little shake of the head from Sadvika over there. Do you have a solution for me?
No.
No? Ah, okay, let's move on to one of the boys. Which one of you can save the day? Both of you can? All right, let's do Duran. Let's give you a chance. Here we go.
Okay. So I did 27th minus 16 sevenths.
Okay.
And I did 9 sevenths plus 4 sevenths equals 13 sevenths.
Sadvika, was that what you were planning to do all along?
Yep.
All right, we have another chance for redemption. Let's go on to the next game. This is game 4 out of 5. Here we go. 5 fourths, 13 fourths, 17 fourths. To get 1 fourth. I feel like that's a big tongue twister. Sadvika, I think, already redeemed herself. Let's see what the final result is. Okay, a little shake of the head from Akshat. You guys are getting feisty. I like it. Sadvika, what did you do to get the final result?
I did 17 fourths minus 13 fourths.
Okay.
And then I did 5 fourths minus 1.
Perfect. And that would obviously give you a super smiley face. We're ready for our final game. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes.
Viewers, good luck to you at home. Let's finish this round. We have four numbers. Here we go. 19 fifths, 6 fifths, 14 fifths, and 16 fifths, all to get the desired result of 11 fifths. I was going to say this one's more difficult, but we already have some people done. Here we go. And finally, everyone's done. Guys, if it was still me, I would be going on for the next hour. So even though you were a little bit slower, it doesn't matter. We still have plenty of time to make up. Akshat, I feel like, was done and taking a nap by the time anyone else finished. So Akshat, give us your best shot. What did you get?
I did 19 fifths minus 16 fifths. And I did 6 fifths minus 3 fifths. Then I did 14 fifths minus 3 fifths.
And big smiley face because Akshat, you were right. He was confident about that, right? All right, perfect. That was the end of round 2. Let's see what we have next. All right, so Sadvika has won 3 games out of 5. Both of the boys won all 5 games. Although Sadvika, you had an extremely fast average time, so this is gonna be very, very interesting. Let's view the total scoreboard for all 2 rounds so far, and we are gonna see Akshat in the lead so far, winning 9 out of 10 games, followed by Duran, then by Sadvika. The game is still young. It could be anyone's game. Don't get nervous. Sadvika, you have plenty of time to catch up. Before we move on to round 3, let's take a quick break. We'll be right back. Everyone, welcome back. We are already, I guess now 3 rounds in, so we're almost all the way done. So we have 2 more rounds left, but before we go on to the 3rd round, let's get to know a little bit more about contestant number 3, Sadvika. Sadvika, how do you feel like the first 2 rounds went?
I'll improve.
You'll
from what I
improve?
did.
So these
Yeah.
boys should still be scared of you.
They should watch out.
Awesome. So tell me something I don't know about you. So tell me about your summer plans.
I'm a band geek, so I'm going to do marching band.
And what's your favorite instrument?
I play the trumpet.
Very cool. So how did you get involved in that?
Well, I started playing since 4th grade, and I've been in it since now. I
Nice.
guess.
And do you have like a go-to song that you love playing?
Not really. It's just like any kind of music.
Anything at all?
Yeah,
Okay, so
classical.
talk about your love for math. So I'm assuming you're a math lover as well.
Mm,
So you're just smart without
Yeah.
even loving it.
I don't.
So
love
how
it.
did you first get involved in Numbers Bee?
In 6th grade, we had the Numbers Bee Club, and I just joined in.
And you've been going ever since.
Yep.
And what grade are you in now?
8th.
8th.
Well, I'm going to 9th.
9th, so almost 3 years under your belt.
Yep.
These boys should be scared. I agree with you. I agree with you. Well, here we go. We're getting ready for round number 3, which is decimals. So we have levels 7, 8, and 9. Contestants, are you ready?
Yep.
Yes, we have yeses all around. Viewers at home, get ready for round number 3, decimals. Let's begin. Here we go. All right, so for game number 1, 10.2, 4.5, 8.6, addition, subtraction, to get you 14.3. The contestants are working. Viewers at home, keep working. Okay, I think we have 3 finished contestants. Everyone done? All right, Sadvika, since we got to know a little bit more about you, why don't you start this one off? How did you get the desired result?
I did 8.6 minus 4.5.
All righty.
And then 10.2 plus 4.1.
Perfect. And that gives you a big smiley face. How do you two boys feel about that?
That's good.
She's coming back up the ranks. I know it. I know it. All right, game 2. We're moving right along. Here we go. 2.3, 13.9, 10.5 for the desired result of 5.7. Satvika's already done. Duran right after her. And Akshat, you're looking a little depressed all of a sudden. No? No? You have a smiley face on your screen. Let's figure out what you did to get the desired result.
I did 13.9 minus 10.5
Alrighty.
plus 2.3 or whatever that equaled.
Perfect. And we have a smiley face. So, all right. Duran, you're getting a little feisty in the middle. Did you get that one too?
Yeah.
You're good.
I'm good.
We know Duran's good. So let's move on to game number 3. Let's move right along. Here we are with the numbers 15.25, 17.1, 9.8 to get 22.55. I think our contestants are already done. So viewers at home, just keep in mind, you're going to be able to compare your scores and your times against these contestants. So good luck because these guys are doing amazing so far. So let's go to Duran. Did you get a smiley face?
Yes, I did.
Yes, he did. What did you do?
I did 17.1 minus 9.8 to minus 9.8.
All right, and then what did you do to get the desired result at the end?
It's not. Okay, well, I did 15.25 plus whatever. It's 17.
Perfect, and that gave you a smiley face on your screen?
Yes.
Awesome. So far we have 3 right, so let's move right along to game number 4. 2 more in this round. Here we go, let's step it up. We're almost done with the entire game. 8.1, 20.6, and 17.125 to get 4.625. You guys are killing it over here. I hope no one asks me if I'm smarter than a numbers B player because I don't think I want to know what the answer is. Akshat, let's come to you. What did you do to get the desired result?
I did 20.6 minus 17.125.
Okay.
Then I did 8.1 minus 3 point something.
Perfect, and that gives you a smiley face. And just as a reminder for our viewers at home, keep in mind that there is more than one solution to figure out these problems, but you guys are doing so well so far. I have a feeling this round's gonna be pretty close. So let's move on to the final game in this round, game number 5. Here we go, contestants and viewers at home. 23.1, 21.8, 5.333, 29.6, and that will at the end get a desired result of 9.967. This one's a little bit more tough. Let's see what we got. Okay, I think we have 3 contestants that have finished up pretty quickly. Satvika, let's go to you at the end. What was your results?
I did 29.6 minus 23.1, and I did
21.8 minus 6.5.
Okay.
and I did that minus the 5.33.
And that gives, again, another smiley face. This round went a little bit better than some of the other rounds, I would think. But let's take a look at our scores because, again, that's going to tell us everything we need to know. Let's check out what they are. That was way better, guys. Good job. Each of our contestants won every one of the 5 games. And look at how close the scores are for time as well. 2 contestants in the 6 region and 1 in the 8 following very, very closely behind. Let's take a look at all the scores total. Akshat is still leading, this time only by 1 with 14 games. And again, the times are all very close. We have only 1 more round left to go. Before we do that, we're going to take a quick break, and we'll be right back. Welcome back to the Numbers Bee. We are already at our final 4th round. Contestants, how are you feeling so far? Good? All right, but before we go with round 4, I do want to talk more with Akshat, who has been having a stroke throughout this entire game, you know, for better or for worse. So Akshat, how is this game making you feel so far? Nervous, overwhelmed?
Feeling good, so far.
You've been in the lead for the past couple rounds, so do
Yeah.
you think you have what it takes to stay in the lead in this last round?
Yep, I do. Yep.
Fighting words for those 2 over there. So tell me a little bit more about yourself, Akshat. Do you have any fun summer plans with summer coming up?
We were supposed to go to Europe. Well, I wanted to go to Europe, but No, not anymore.
Not anymore?
Yep,
It
yeah.
fell through?
Yeah,
So
and then-
besides Italy, what's like a dream place for you to visit?
France and London. Probably, yeah, mainly those.
Mainly those ones?
Yeah.
Now let's talk about your love of math. Are you a big math lover?
Yeah. Yep.
So how did that start? From a young age?
Yeah, my dad used to like influence me, I guess, to love math, and yeah, I just loved it.
So does he love when you play numbers bee? Do you get him to play with you as well?
No, he's usually busy. No.
He's usually busy, but he still loves when you play math, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we have math lovers, football lovers. We have a little bit of everything here on Numbers B. So I think we should just move right along to round 4, the algebra portion. Contestants, are you ready? This is it. This is the last round. No pressure at all. Viewers at home, this is your last round to compete against our contestants here on screen. Let's go. We're going to start with x minus 3, 6, and 2x plus y. We just need to find out what x and y equal. And algebra is a little bit more tough. So while we are on earlier levels, this one might take a little bit more time. Some of the contestants have a pad of paper and a pencil. Viewers at home, solve it any way you want. Some of the contestants are still working. So it's been, I would think, almost 30 seconds. So contestants at home, the viewers that are watching, this is your chance to really, really get ahead here. See if you can solve it quicker, but make sure you solve it right. Duran, though, I must say, looks pretty confident right now. Okay, so our time limit has been passed. Duran, you got it actually pretty quickly with the other 2 contestants still working. So Duran, what did you do? What were your x and y equal to?
My x equals 3 and my y equals 2.
Okay.
And I did 8 plus 6 equals 14. And I did 14 plus 0 equals 14.
You seem pretty confident. That's a big smiley face. Other 2 contestants, we're going to move right on to game 2 so we can get a little bit of a comeback if we need it. Here we go, viewers at home. Let's get ready for game 2. 4x minus 3, 9, x plus 5 to the desired result of 7. And again, keep in mind that while this is one of the lower levels, it doesn't mean that it's any less tough for these contestants. Only 30 seconds are left on the shot clock. Let's see if our contestants will be able to finish in time. All right, the shot clock just ran out. Akshat, though, looked like he might have gotten the right answer. Akshat, I see a smiley face from you. What did you get for the answer?
I got x equals 2.
X equals 2.
So 4x minus 3 equals 5, and x plus 5 would equal 7. So I did 9 minus 7 equals 2 plus 5.
Perfect, and that gives you the desired result of 7. Good job, contestants. How are you feeling down there? A little nervous? A little nervous? Duran looks a little shaken up now, but don't worry, we have another game left. We're going to go on to game number 3 out of 5. Plenty of time to catch up if our contestants haven't been able to do so yet. Here we go with game 3. 2x and 14. The desired result is 16. What does x equal? Let's see if the contestants can figure that out. Okay, I think this is the first game out of this round that all 3 contestants have gotten the right answer. Duran, you definitely stepped up your game this game. So what did you get this time?
I did x equals 1, then 2 plus 14 equals 16.
2 plus 14 equals 16. See, I could do that. That's my kind of math right there. But don't worry, let's move on right now to game number 4. After this, we only have 1 game left. So the pressure is kind of mounting a little bit. Here we go. 2x and 19 to equal 17. Let's see if our contestants can get this one. We have 3 thumbs up, 3 smiley faces. Perfect, Satvika, let's go to you. What was your answer for this one?
I did x equals 1 and 19 minus 7. Well, 19 minus 2 equals 17.
19 minus 2 equals 17. All right, we have 1 game left of our last round. This is crunch time. Viewers at home, get ready. Here we go for the last game out of round 4. 2x plus 3y, a 5, a 4x, all to get to. We have a shot clock just under a minute right now. Let's see if our contestants can really step their game up. Keep in mind too that the contestants are going to try and do this as quickly as possible, but more importantly, they're first trying to get the right answer. Because at the end of the day, that's what's going to win this game. The shot clock is down to 5. I don't see any heads up yet. All right, the time has expired. Did anyone get this one?
I was going to.
You were about to? No one got this one, so let's go right to the scores and see how we fared. This was definitely a tough round. Algebra can kill you sometimes. Trust me, I know that. I don't know what the answer is to that problem. Let's just go right to the results and see how our contestants fared. Okay, this one was a little bit more tough. Out of the 5 games, 2 of our contestants only won 3 of them, with Akshat winning 2 of them. And if you look at the average time, you can tell that this round was definitely a lot harder than all the other rounds, probably combined. So before we go on to the total scoreboard, we're going to see who the winner is, who's first, second, and third. This is going to be a total of all of the rounds, all of the average scores. So let's see who our winner is. Oh my goodness. Okay, so Duran and Akshat tied with 16 games each, with Satvika at 14. When there's a tie, we're going to go right down to times. Duran, with an average time of 8.56 seconds, would win. Literally, you won by exactly 1 second, which is a fraction of time. So Duran is going to be our grand prize winner today. Do you have a victory dance to give to us today? do your best victory dance, Duran.
Do I have to?
You have to do it. This is what you get for winning Numbers Beat. Congratulations. Best victory dance.
Do I have to?
Yes, here we go.
All right. I have to.
Go ahead.
All right.
That's his best victory dance.
Yes.
I love it. All of our contestants, first, second, and third place, are going to be getting gift cards today. Thank you to our viewers so much for watching and for playing. Make sure to stay tuned for next week's episode. Different contestants, but you at home can still play against them. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching Numbers Beat.